Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here let's tap on advanced and right under it we've got the screen timeout option, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So right now I've got 30 minutes applied. This option is marked and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes. And as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again in order to check for how long we've got the screen timeout set, because it's notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.